Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows upgrade error with the error code 0x80090011, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection speed. So open fast.com and check whether the speed is good enough or not, because a significant speed is needed to download the latest Windows updates. Then run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot in the right pane, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The last solution is to reset the Windows Update components. Now I have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as Administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. This script will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will reset the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the cat-root 2 and software distribution folders. It will re-register all the associated DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will stop all the restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.